At least 19 people, including 9 children, lost their lives in a major fire in New York City on Sunday. New York City Mayor Eric Adams has confirmed. We have lost 19 of our neighbors today. It's a tragedy beyond measure. Join me in praying for those we lost, especially the 9 innocent young lives that were cut short. He thanked the firefighters of the New York City Fire Department for bringing into control the fire which broke out in a residential apartment high-rise building at 333 East 181st Street in the Bronx. An investigation into what happened is underway. To everyone affected by this tragedy, your city will be with you in the days ahead, said Adams. The mayor said earlier on Sunday that the fire was horrific. This is a horrific, painful moment for the city of New York, and the impact of this fire is going to really bring a level of just pain and despair in our city, he told reporters. This is going to be one of the worst fires we have witnessed during modern times. 32 people were sent to hospital in life-threatening conditions. In addition, 9 people were also seriously injured and 22 others sustained known life-threatening injuries. One member of service was also removed to hospital, said Adam. New York City Fire Department Commissioner Daniel Negro, who was at the scene together with Adam, said the fire broke out in a duplex apartment on the second and third floors of the apartment building. The door of the apartment was left open, enabling the fire and smoke to spread quickly in the 19-story building. This is indeed tragic. Units arrived within 3 minutes for a call of a fire in a duplex apartment. They were met in the hallway with this fire, very heavy smoke, very heavy fire. Units pushed in. The smoke extended the entire height of the building, which is very unusual. Members found victims on every floor and in stairwells and were taking them out in cardiac and respiratory arrest, said Negro. This is unprecedented in our city. How the fire started, we don't know yet. It will be investigated by New York City Fire Department fire marshals, he added. News Desk Comedy Global.